Hey guys, Monique here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm working with CurlsQueen and they specialize in high quality hair extensions. Before I jump into anything, I'm gonna just give y'all the package details, okay? So the first thing I got is this detangling brush, super cute. Then I got some clips and this adjustable bonnet, which I love. Here are the hair details. So I got it custom colored to a 4, which is like a light brown. 16 inches, and yeah, let me tell y'all about the hair. Super soft, very defined, and this is it after I have washed and conditioned it. Y'all can see the true length. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just get into the nitty-gritty of this hairstyle. So it's wash day, y'all, and I literally hate wash day. Like, look at this, look at what we're working with. Like, I washed my hair 5 minutes before this and it already looks dry. But here I am, just moisturizing my hair, making it as soft and manageable as possible before I braid it down. So the first thing we're going to do is part your hair in a rectangle at the top, and also have the parts on the side as well. This is to ensure that your hair is seamlessly blending into the clip-ins when you put the clip-ins in. As much as I thought this was gonna work out, y'all, it did not work out because the clip-ins were not my hair color. Like, it was just, my hair is a 4, but my hair is just so uneven in coloring. I feel like it's just a lighter brown. But anyways, I'm just speeding up this process of me moisturizing, detangling, oiling my scalp, and then braiding it down. Because I know y'all are not trying to watch that for 2 hours straight, so I'm just helping y'all out. But honestly, the longest part of this whole process was this part right here, me braiding my hair down. The clip-ins were super easy to install, and I'll be showing you guys later on how to correctly pin it into your hair, so just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of my hair. It should turn out like this when you guys are done. Here I am just detangling each piece of the clip-ins that I'm using in my hair, and I'm just attaching it to my hair. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how to do this. So with each clip-in, there's obviously clips on it. The clips look like this, and what you're gonna do is basically put the clip-ins and push it down into your hair, and then once you hear a snap, then you know it is secured into your hair. Now I know that you guys may see the tracks right now, but that's just because the hair is still wet. Once we blow dry and diffuse the hair, the tracks will no longer be visible. So I'm just continuing to apply the clip-ins into my hair until I feel like I don't need any more and could easily just blend this hair. So with these clip-ins, there are different sizes. So in the back, we have a longer strip of clip-ins, but then as we get more to the top of the hair, there are smaller clip-ins that is provided in the package so that everything blends seamlessly, and then you don't have clip-ins that's too long for the front. So as you can see, I have this little strip that I'm only putting in the middle right there, and it only has like 2 clips on it compared to the ones in the back that have like 4 or 5. Alright y'all, so I think that's enough clip-ins, and here I am just taking out the cornrows that I did earlier. But you guys are gonna realize that, yeah, this hair does not blend with my natural hair like at all. My hair is way too light, and with that being said, I ended up literally just cornering it back, and that big top braid, I ended up just splitting it into 2 so that when I add the clip-ins on top of it, it won't be too bulgy. And I just took a bobby pin and secured those braids to the side so it's out of my way. Here I am just adding the little pieces of clip-ins that I had left to the top of my hair, and I ended up just cutting bangs, y'all. I didn't want to cut too much because I know like once I blow dry my hair, the hair is going to shrink up a little bit, so I could always cut more once the hair is a little bit more dry. And here I am just blow drying. I know I look a little crazy, y'all. You gotta trust the process, man. Like, I look crazy, but I'm still blow drying, and it's getting a little better as time goes on once it starts to dry up a little bit more. Alright y'all, so right now I'm just cutting some layers. I didn't want the hair to just all be the same length. I wanted to add a little bit more volume. I did get a little scissor happy, I'm not gonna lie, but it ended up actually turning out really nicely. I cut the bangs a little bit more because there was like some pieces that was longer than the other. Okay guys, so this hair came out absolutely beautiful. It's not even like fully dried yet, but you guys get the point. Like, I didn't know what I was gonna do with my hair since it wasn't blending, but I made something happen, so that's all that matters. This is the outcome. I absolutely love it. Perfect, just perfect hair, y'all. Like, so soft, so flowy, so full. If you guys are interested in purchasing some clip-ins, which y'all really should go get, like, I'm recommending it for real. I will put everything in the description, so please just go check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.